In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove game from Steam Family Sharing. First thing you need to do is to make sure to install Steam directly onto your actual device. So I actually recommend to open it on your PC in order to have the most access or full access for this. On your actual application on PC, click on the Steam option on the upper left side. From in there, you can see this, so proceed to click on Settings option. Once you have clicked that part, it will open right here this particular window. In there, you can see the option for family, so proceed to click on this. After that, just click on this create or join a Steam family. Then after that, this will load for a while, and in here you can see your family management. So for this case, if you don't have a family yet, you can head over to create or join one. So enter right here the family name. So for example, let's name this right here. Click on create. And then in here, you can actually just name it however you want. Once you have your actual family, you can just proceed to add or remove games from there if you want. Having here this article that can help us. So in here, you can add people and set up parental controls. You can turn it on and you can actually add specific programs or applications through that family website. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.